Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description, and we're asked to determine whether it is one-to-one. So f of t is your height at age t. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph this function. And we're graphing it over t age. We're graphing f of t height. So you start born at some height. It goes up very quickly in your childhood, and then it levels off and you don't really grow. And there is the case where when you get later in life, your height will go back down again. Maybe you can see something like this. Not this dramatic, obviously, but just for the sake of the problem, it'll go up and then it'll go down again. And to determine whether a function is one-to-one, we have to do the horizontal line test, which states that any horizontal line can intersect the function at most once. If we see here, we have two intersection points. Therefore, if you're at the stage where your height is decreasing, then your answer is no, it's not one-to-one because we have multiple intersection points. However, for most of the people watching this, who are students, your answer is going to be yes, because you have not started to shrink yet. So this is an interesting problem where if you take it literally, there's more than one right answer.